Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I want to talk to you about a journey that can change your life, learning Python. It's more than just picking up a new skill. It's about embarking on an adventure that will open countless doors for you. You see, learning Python is a bit like planting a tree. When you first start, it might seem small and insignificant. But with every line of code you write, every problem you solve, you're watering that tree, helping it grow stronger and taller. And just like a tree needs daily care, your Python skills need daily practice. Imagine waking up each day, eager to dive into your course videos, excited to learn something new. This consistency is the key to mastery. It's not about being perfect from the start. It's about showing up every day, ready to grow. Think about the incredible feeling of solving a challenging problem, the rush of excitement when your code finally works. These moments of triumph are your milestones, each one bringing you closer to your goal. They remind you that you are capable, that you are progressing. But remember, it's okay to stumble. It's okay to feel frustrated at times. Every great programmer has faced these challenges and overcome them by persevering. When you commit to coding daily, you're building resilience, learning to see obstacles as opportunities to learn and grow. Surround yourself with others on the same journey. Share your struggles, celebrate your successes together. Community is a powerful motivator, reminding you that you're not alone in this. Together, you can inspire and uplift each other. So, dear viewers, embrace this journey with all your heart. Show up every day, ready to learn and grow. Believe in your ability to master Python because I believe in you. Your future self will thank you for the dedication and effort you put in today. Thank you for watching, and remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Take yours today.